Chia seed alone doesn't work. Add this to kill inflammation. They say chia seeds are the ultimate superfood. You see them everywhere: smoothies, puddings, overnight oats. Everyone swears by them. But here's the truth nobody talks about. Chia seeds alone won't kill inflammation. And what's worse, most people using them are wasting their efforts without even realizing it. The reason why? It's been hiding in plain sight. Millions add chia thinking they're fighting inflammation, protecting their heart, and boosting gut health. And yes, chia seeds do have fiber, protein, and plant-based omega-3s called ALA. But here's the plot twist. Your body can't easily turn that ALA into the omega-3s that actually fight inflammation, EPA and DHA. Studies show less than 5% of ALA becomes EPA and barely 0.5% turns into DHA. That means 95% of the benefits people brag about never reach your cells. You're doing the right thing, but your body's still inflamed, bloated, or tired. Sounds familiar? Quick pause. If you've ever used chia and felt no difference, hit that like button. Because what's coming next flips everything you thought you knew about superfoods. Here's the twist scientists discovered. When chia seeds are combined with turmeric and a small amount of healthy fat like olive or coconut oil, everything changes. Turmeric isn't just another spice. It's a molecular switch. It contains curcumin, proven to shut down inflammation at its source. A 2023 meta-analysis of over 60 studies found curcumin reduced inflammation markers like C-reactive protein and TNF-alpha, the same ones doctors check when testing for chronic inflammation. Meanwhile, chia feeds your cells omega-3s and antioxidants. Together, they're like a tag team. Chia repairs the cell walls, turmeric rewires the signals that cause inflammation. It's like having two firefighters, one cooling the flames, the other cutting off the oxygen feeding the fire. But, and here's where most people mess up, both chia and turmeric need fat to be absorbed. Skip the fat, and your body barely uses them. One study found curcumin absorption skyrockets by 2,000% when taken with a little fat. So if you're tossing turmeric in water or chia in plain yogurt, you're losing almost all of it. Here's the simple fix. Mix 1 tablespoon chia seeds, ½ teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon olive or coconut oil into your smoothie or almond milk. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the chia expands. That's when the magic happens. Wondering when you'll feel it? Real people and studies say this. In 1 to 2 weeks, digestion improves, bloating drops. Around 3 to 4 weeks, joint stiffness and fatigue start fading. By week 8, more energy, clearer skin, sharper focus. This isn't a quick fix, it's a cellular shift. When you feed your body the right combo long enough, it starts healing itself, from the inside out. And if you're still watching, you're clearly serious about your health. So hit subscribe to Holistic Wellness. Every week, we share easy, research-backed ways to heal naturally. No hype, no fads, just results. Tomorrow morning, don't just sprinkle chia on your breakfast. Combine it with turmeric, healthy fat, and a pinch of black pepper. That one habit turns a trendy superfood into a science-backed anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Food isn't just fuel, it's information. Every bite tells your body what to do next. So tell your body to heal. Quick recap before you go. Chia gives omega-3s and antioxidants, but limited bioavailability. Turmeric switches off inflammation at the gene level. Healthy fats make both absorbable and effective. Together, they fight inflammation from multiple angles, something no single food can do alone. If this opened your eyes, type YES in the comments. It helps more people discover the truth. And don't miss our next video. 1 cup to reduce inflammation naturally. It's the perfect follow-up to this formula. Stay consistent, stay curious, and take care of your body because it's the only place you have to live.